Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So first we just bypass the double press the power key button. We can see that we can also lock the device, and just for example to open the camera app from double press the power key button, we should first launch the settings application and then scroll down to the advanced features. Then we should click here to the side key, and just to activate the double press we should click once on the switcher. And now for example we can quickly launch camera or any app, and let's just press twice to the power key and we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.